Let's face it, you're hitting the gym hard, pushing your limits, and chasing those fitness goals. But are you fueling your body with the protein it needs to recover and rebuild? Many fitness enthusiasts struggle to meet their daily protein requirements through meals alone. This is where the magic of protein shakes comes in. They're quick, convenient, and incredibly effective in delivering the protein your muscles crave. Get ready to discover how protein shakes can become your secret weapon for maximizing your workouts and achieving the physique you've always wanted. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. When you work out, you create microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Protein provides the building blocks, called amino acids, needed to repair these tears and make your muscles stronger. Without enough protein, your body struggles to recover from intense workouts, and you risk hindering your progress. Adequate protein intake also helps maintain a healthy metabolism, keeps you feeling fuller for longer, and supports overall health and well-being. Incorporate protein into your diet to fuel your muscles, boost your recovery, and take your fitness journey to the next level. While whole foods should always be your primary source of protein, shakes offer a convenient and efficient way to supplement your intake. They are particularly beneficial for post-workout recovery, as they deliver a rapid and easily digestible dose of protein directly to your muscles. Protein shakes are also incredibly versatile. You can customize them with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and supplements to create delicious and nutritious meals or snacks. Embrace the power of protein shakes and experience a noticeable difference in your recovery, muscle growth, and overall fitness journey. Ditch the bland and boring protein shakes. It's time to tantalize your taste buds while nourishing your muscles with these delicious and easy-to-make recipes. These shakes are packed with protein, essential nutrients, and mouth-watering flavors that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Whether you prefer creamy chocolate, refreshing fruity blends, or something in between, there's a protein shake recipe out there for everyone. Experiment with different ingredients, find your favorites, and make protein shakes a delicious part of your daily routine. Indulge your chocolate cravings while fueling your muscles with this decadent and protein-packed shake. Combine 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, 1 banana, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding a few ice cubes if desired. This shake provides a perfect balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to support muscle growth and recovery. Feel free to adjust the ingredients to your liking, adding a dash of cinnamon or a handful of spinach for an extra nutritional boost. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this refreshing and nutrient-packed green smoothie. Blend together 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of frozen mango, half a cup of pineapple chunks, and a cup of coconut water. This shake is an excellent source of protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The spinach provides a healthy dose of greens, while the mango and pineapple add natural sweetness and a tropical twist. Sip on this shake after a tough workout or enjoy it as a healthy and refreshing snack. This antioxidant-rich berry blast is a delicious way to fuel your muscles and satisfy your sweet tooth. Combine 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, half a cup of mixed berries such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding a few ice cubes for a thicker consistency. This shake is packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. The chia seeds provide an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. While protein shakes are generally safe for most people, it's essential to consume them in moderation and listen to your body. The recommended daily protein intake varies depending on factors such as age, activity level, and overall health. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine the appropriate protein intake for your individual needs. Start with 1 protein shake per day and gradually increase your intake as needed. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your consumption accordingly. Protein shakes are a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their fitness journey and achieve their fitness goals. They provide a convenient, delicious, and efficient way to supplement your protein intake, support muscle growth and recovery, and enhance your overall health. By incorporating protein shakes into a balanced diet and exercise regimen, you can unlock your full athletic potential and sculpt the physique you've always desired. Embrace the power of protein shakes and experience the transformative effects on your body and mind. Ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Explore the endless possibilities of protein shakes and discover a world of delicious and nutritious recipes. For a comprehensive guide to protein shake recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and fuel your muscles, check out the book, Top 50 Protein Shake Recipes for Building Muscle. This book is packed with mouth-watering recipes, expert tips, and valuable insights to help you maximize your protein intake and achieve your fitness goals. Start sipping your way to a stronger, healthier, and more confident you today.